Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. I wonder whether we are aware of how much a right mindset is important not only in our professional life but also in our personal life. It was a great information for me to know that NASA basically has one of the criterias for selecting the system engineers, and that is a growth mindset. A concept first given by Dr. Carol Dweck, a Stanford University professor, talking about the two types of mindset. The first is one that embraces problems as opportunities to learn, and the other one who basically tries to avoid it as a result of fear of failure. The first one is called as the growth mindset. A person with a growth mindset sees opportunities in every problems. For him, life is just like a big learning journey, and they feel they are always in flux and always in a phase of transformation. But as far as the fixed mindset go, they avoid problems and they avoid conflict out of a fear to fail. For them, failure is an assault on who they are as a person. They look at failure as an assault on who they are. For them, failure once is failure always. What we need to understand, guys, is that it's not always either a growth mindset or a fixed mindset. All of us have both the types of mindset, but what makes critical difference is basically the one who uses growth mindset more as compared to the fixed mindset. In many of the entities, we may be having a fixed mindset, but more we are using our growth mindset, more we are on the path to discovery and the path to success. People have a fixed mindset because they believe that the basic qualities of talent and intelligence, they are inherent and they are fixed. Once you either have them or you don't have them, and their notions about success gets locked up. They basically start living in a past world, and the past world of their opportunities and their achievements. They glorify themselves, unwanting to face the new challenges and unwanting to rediscover themselves. But on the contrary, people with growth mindset think that new abilities can be developed through practice. They love the challenges and the opportunities that come the way. They love the difficulties and they want to face them because they feel that life is an exciting journey with endless opportunities. Dr. Carroll advises leaders, teachers and parents to celebrate trying. We need to teach our kids to try maximum out. Applaud their efforts rather than applauding the success or failures. If they have put in sufficient amount of hard work for any task, give them the perks that they need, whatever may be the result. Teach them to take feedback. They need to learn to take positive criticism. They cannot take criticism as a personal attack on their own identity. Learning to take feedback is a very important skill to grow and achieve more in life. As a result of that, people with a growth mindset have a broader view of the world. They are more in line with the reality of the world, and as a result of that, the decisions that they take, the options that they choose, all of them are pretty much in line with the worldview and the reality. And this is what makes them more and more successful. And as a result of that, one ability that grows in them is the power to take decisions and to take good decisions in life. It may look very simple, but at the heart of it, it has this growth mindset. So if you feel that you are stuck up in a fixed mindset, it is time to rethink and get out of that mindset and get into the frame of the growth mindset. It is the growth mindset that will bring you prosperity, that will bring you the joy of life, that will bring you success the way you want it to come to you. Hope that this video has helped you and hope to see you in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.